Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can increase RAM on your laptop or PC for free. As you see, I have installed 8 GB RAM on my laptop. I make it to 12 GB. For that I need to increase 4 GB RAM so that I get 12 GB. So for that you need to search advanced system settings, best match view advanced system settings, click on it. Now here make sure you are in advanced tab. You will see performance, click on settings. After that go to advanced tab. Now here you see virtual memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So we are basically creating a virtual RAM on our hard disk. So click on change. First untick the automatic manage paging size and then click on custom size. Here we need initial size in MBs and maximum size in MBs. For that I have given this chart in the video description so that you can easily copy that values and increase RAM according to your need. So I am going to increase 4 GB RAM. To convert it MBs, we have this formula. So we have to basically find out the RAM in MBs. For that you need to multiply 4 multiply by 1024 and then multiply by 1.5 and we get this 6144. Likewise we also calculate maximum size. 4 multiply by 1024 multiply by 3, we get this value. Once we get these values, our only work is to put these values in the initial size and maximum size. Copy the value and then paste in initial size. Copy the maximum size, paste in maximum column and then click on set. This will set on C drive has 4 GB RAM on disk. So likewise you also do the same with D drive to get extra 4 GB RAM. Now I totally allot 4 on D drive and 4 GB on C drive. Hard disk space to use as virtual RAM for my laptop. Once you done that, click on apply and then OK. For that you must need to restart your laptop or PC once so that it allows the space on hard disk. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.